Is it safe to walk about in Panama City Old Town? Yeah. No. Yeah. Actually, it is if you stay in the tourist areas, and it's not if you wander outside. Let's show you where to go. Let's start in Plaza Bolívar. It was named in 1883 to honor Simon Bolivar, the liberator of Latin America. And it has the famous San Francisco Church, as well as the National Theatre, and a great hotel to eat at. Yes, Panama is a great place to eat.
They do love their art in Panama. There's statues everywhere. This one's the Minister of Education.
Bars, restaurants. This is a place you'll want to stay at.
Panama, we're in the Old Town. What a surprisingly delightful place. The architecture is stunning. There are loads of beautiful bars and restaurants. Just look up there at that garden bar.
Yes, we will show you the Embera village, the train, the canal. But take a look at the Old Town.
Church of Gold is locked now, so unfortunately you can't go in. But in Panama, there is a church on practically every street corner. So if churches are your thing, you need a very long day here. But fortunately, the church is opposite a pretty funky bar.
There is no shortage of funky bars and great eating places. Really, dine spectacularly. This is really Latin America at its best. But as a word of warning, like so many very successful trading cities with a wonderful past, and this city really does have the most amazing past, there is extreme poverty and extreme wealth. So if you venture out of the Old Town, and you'll feel the difference immediately, you could be in trouble. So be careful. No bag, nothing flashy, keep it simple, stay safe. There aren't too many ruins in the middle of Panama, but there are a lot of churches with the most spectacular architecture in the most beautiful squares. We don't want to show you all the churches because then it will become a film about churches, and there's so much more. But let Jean show you around this one in Plaza Major.
The Roman Catholic Cathedral of Panama is dedicated to Santa Maria. Consecrated in 1796, it was designed by military engineer Nicolas Rodriguez. It is the only Panamanian building with a dome. The main altarpiece is a work from the end of the 19th century, very possibly made by the French masters who worked on the canal. There are various statues around the church, and these rather unusual models of two young men who became saints. Carlo Acutis, an Italian student beatified in 2020, and Jose Sanchez del Rio, beatified in 2005 by Pope Benedict XVI. And you can read all about them in great detail inside the cathedral.
Squares and churches, rivers, lakes, jungle, local tribes like the Embera, which we will go and visit, and also the Panama Canal, which we will do in full. Panama has a lot to offer, and we'll try and show you them all.
You can see the ship over there.
The cruise port of Lima in Peru.
The bus drops you at the Indian market. Welcome to Miraflores. Oh look, a cat on a hot tin roof.
So if you want to get to the cat park, or in fact go downtown, with the Indian market behind you, the shuttle bus in front of you, turn left swiftly and walk away.
We do tours that start and finish at Parque Kennedy, where we are right now.
Just opposite the cat park, you can get the tickets for the hop-on, hop-off bus.
There is a tourist information centre right next door.
I will give you a map of down.
The best thing about using the local buses is they use the bus lane and you don't have to queue in all this traffic. First day of the new government, there are riot police here, there are TV cameras set up, no one knows if there's going to be a changing of the guard today or not. Right next to the Archbishop's Palace is a lovely chocolate world, my favourite kind of museum.
The fruit of cacao. This is called mazorca. It's 90%.
Thank you.
That is the real flavor of chocolate. Bitter, a little sour at the end. So because most of our cacao is sour more than bitter.
Yeah, if you like dark chocolate, that's the one, isn't it?
Yes.
Jean cruises into Cozumel.
It's a beautiful evening and we're just arriving in Cozumel, where we're lucky enough to get here for the whole evening, and then we've got an overnight, and then we've got the whole day tomorrow till about 11 o'clock. The Carnival of Valor, there's the Holland America line, there's us, there's the Icon of the Seas and the Voyage of the Seas. They don't have buses on the island, but they do have little motor taxis for 2 people. I can't believe we found this, it's brilliant. Literally 5 minutes walk from the ship. If you come off the ship and turn left and just walk away along about 5 minutes, you'll find this lovely little square with bars and shops.
And my last tip, and this is a really serious one, if you have a margarita in each of these beach bars, you might not get back to the ship. Looks like they found a nightclub they wish to go in. I thought the guy was pretty good at that last place we went to. No, it looks like this is not the right place. And if you happen to read one of my cruise novels, there are 10 in the series, please do leave a review on Amazon. Cruise Ship Heist has been #1 3 times in 2 different countries. Enjoy your cruising.